Hi everyone, it's Nalanie and welcome back to my channel. Today I created this really easy, fun, pretty blue makeup look for you guys using some products that I already have. They're not new products at all. Everything I used in today's video has just been products that I've had for a while, and I'm not trying to waste my products, so I'm just trying to make use of what I have. And I really like the way this makeup look turned out. So if you like it too and you want to see how I got it, please keep on watching. Okay, so I'm lightly priming my eyes with my concealer, and I'm still using that L'Oreal one. And I want to start using some of the palettes and products and things that I've been using, well, that I've had for a while that I just haven't really reached for, because I don't know, you get new things and then you forget about other things. So I want to just bring back older products that I really liked. So today we're going to use this Alamar Cosmetics palette. This is the Reina del Caribe. This is the volume 1, so it's the first eyeshadow palette I believe that they came out with. So this is what it looks like. I do really like this palette, and I don't remember all the looks that I've created with this or if I filmed a bunch of them, so I'm not 100% sure, but there are a couple of shadows that don't really look like there's been too much of a dent, so we're gonna work with those. And because they look a little darker, I don't remember the fallout or if there was any fallout, so I'm going to add a little bit of powder underneath my eye area just to catch it. And this is the Peachy powder in Banana. I'm taking a little bit and just putting it right here. Okay, so I think the first color I want to go in with, I think I want to mix these two right here. We're just going to use a really nice fluffy brush, and let's start off with in the crease. And I'm using more of this shade just to buff up a little. So I'm using this color more just to blend upwards. Sorry, I don't think I explained that properly. So mixing both of those colors, I'm really just going to focus this color right here. And I'm depositing most of the color over here because this is where I want the most pigment. And then slowly just kind of moving this in just so everything just blends out really nice. So I think I want to go in with this color. Oh, that's pigmented. This blue is so pretty. I'm actually not even noticing any fallout, which is really nice. And I'm just working in little sections, and I'm just stamping and pushing this product in. And I'm primarily keeping this on the lid. I'm just going a little into the crease, and then we're just gonna blend a little bit. Okay, so now I'm just gonna dust off the powder. There was actually no fallout, which is really nice. So now I'm gonna go back in with this color right here, just a little bit, and I'm going to just stretch my eyes and just really just try to blend both colors together. You never want your eyeshadow looks to look really harsh, unless that's the look you're going for. Dusting off that same brush, because there was a little bit of blue on it, I'm going to go back in with those two colors, and I'm going to buff this on the lower lash line. And I'm bringing it all the way in. Okay, so I'm gonna go in with this color right here. Hopefully you guys can see it. And we're just going to add, oh, it's not what I was thinking it was gonna look like. We're just gonna go with it. And I always like bringing it down right here. It just opens your eyes a bit. So I'm not really too crazy about the way this is looking in the inner tear duct, so I'm gonna go in with this green. This I don't hate. Okay, I think I like that a little more, so we're just gonna go with it. And I'm also going to blend this in a little bit into that blue. Going back in with that same brush, I'm just going to blend this area a little bit. I'm gonna add a little bit of liner. Okay, I'm going to add a little bit of this blue liner. This is the LA Girl Shockwave Neon Eyeliner in Electric in my waterline. I'm going to highlight my face with this Master Pro Maybelline highlighter in Molten Gold. Yeah, Molten Gold. I haven't used this in such a long time. Still so pretty. Add a little bit right here. And I'm going to use Peachy Love from Anastasia. And I'm just going to mix all three colors together. Okay, so this is the completed look for my lips. I wanted to go in with a really nice peachy nude. I used my Morphe Sugar Pie lip liner and this Maybelline Superstay Matte Ink lipstick in 55 Driver. It's such a beautiful, beautiful peachy nude. I think it's perfect for my skin tone. I really like it. It is a little sticky, but I don't mind it. It lasts a really long time, but yeah, it's a little sticky. It's nothing too terrible. If you push it in with your fingers, I find that it's less tacky and less sticky. But yeah, I really like the way the makeup turned out. I love blue, I love color, and I don't know, I just haven't really been too into color lately, but every time I put color back on, I do really like it. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video, this tutorial, this makeup look, and I will see you guys in my next video.